Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Stas here. You read the title today. We have to break down Nvidia stock, which by the way is bouncing back quite nicely. We hit over $140 per share earlier in the day after being at $135 in the pre-market. So guys, we have to do an update on the charts, what I'm looking to do, am I buying, selling, holding, and of course where I see Nvidia going in the short term. But first guys, hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account and deposit at least $100 and you get 5 free stocks. Once you deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 free stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which guys, that's a sweet deal. So use that link down below or simply go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers guys, let's get right into the video. So man, Nvidia stock is looking pretty decent right now, especially considering the fact that the Dow is in the red, same with the Russell, and the VIX earlier I think was up a little bit, now it's down a little bit, but yeah, we do have some red in the markets right now, and Nvidia is pushing up. We hit over $140 a share earlier in the day, like I said, after being in the 135s in the pre-market. So guys, with that down move in the pre-market, we actually took out the lows from Friday, not from Wednesday. On Wednesday we hit 131, so we got hit pretty aggressively there the day before Thanksgiving. But since that point, we have recovered a bit, although we did, like I said, take the low out from Friday today, this morning. But even though we did that, it's not the end of the world because we actually broke out of the highs from Friday. So we redeemed ourselves, right? We hit 135 in the pre-market. We took out the opening price from Friday, okay, but then we rallied like crazy, taking out the high not only from just Friday, but also from Wednesday, from Tuesday of last week. Not quite yet Monday, but we did take the highs out from Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday of last week. So that's a great sign. We're heading in the right direction here. And on the 30-minute chart on Nvidia, guys, if I zoom in a little bit, this is actually the 1 hour. Let me get the 30-minute up. There we go. What do we have here? If I zoom in, what is this, guys? This is an inverse head and shoulders. Do you guys see it? We have the left shoulder right here, the head's right here, and the right shoulder is right here. Pretty clear as day. And if this were to fully play out, which it looks like it might want to do just that, guys, this could get anywhere, between 142, 144, and that would be the breakout spot from there. If Nvidia broke out of the mid 140s, I'd say that could be a full-on breakout spot for the stock back to all-time highs. So we look really good, guys. We look really good here on the 30-minute. Inverse head and shoulders is intact. We're above the moving averages. Now we have a golden cross. And on the 1 hour chart, we're not quite yet above the 180 moving average. We are above the 50 SMA, so keep that in mind. But if I draw out this channel here, it's going to be a bit ugly looking, but bear with me, guys. We're still technically in this channel, which you guys can see right here, which goes back to what I said earlier in this video, guys. I think the mid 140s range is the breakout spot for Nvidia here. If I get the circle tool out and just draw out some recent lower highs, you guys see the proof's in the pudding. We've been getting rejected at the top of this channel, which is right in the mid 140. So guys, Nvidia, it's got to get out of here. And signs are pointing to, that being where it's going, but we're not fully breaking out quite yet. So keep that in mind here on the 1 hour chart. And with all of that being said, guys, let me clear the drawing set. Let's go to the 4 hour chart, we're still looking pretty dang good on this time frame. Are we not? If I get this, channel tool out, overall, in the grand scheme of things, guys, we're still maintaining an uptrend. I mean, are we not? Look at this. We're obviously holding an uptrend. We're currently at the bottom of the channel here. So, guys, this could very well be where Nvidia sees buyers come in, major buying pressure, and where we end up going back to all-time highs. I mean, the chart looks phenomenal, does it not? You guys see it right here. So don't be surprised if Nvidia did start going back towards 152, maybe even higher, based on what we're seeing right here, based on the inverse head and shoulders breakout potentially forming. And mind you, we are under both moving averages on this 4-hour chart, so keep that in mind. The second we get out of there, man, it's going to be looking really, really good for the bulls. So I'm going to set some alerts here, guys. I'll do one at $140 for now, as we're slightly under that point, and I'll do another one at maybe $142.50 for now, and we'll monitor it heading into the rest of the day today, tomorrow, and we'll see where it goes. But, man, it does look pretty good right now, the way it's forming for more upside. And this is a stock that I've said before, it fits in the category, at least the way I'm looking at it, of both a trade right now and a long-term investment. I think the valuation, although it's not bargain basement value by any means, I think the valuation is still pretty decent overall. You can justify buying more long-term shares here, and at the same time, you can also obviously justify, this as a swing trade as well, in my opinion, based on the charts, based on everything that we just talked about for a couple of minutes. So what do you guys think about that? I'm actually curious. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And before we take a look at some other stocks quickly here, guys, make sure to join the email list. I'm not sure if you've done it yet, but I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every Monday to my email subscribers. And the beautiful thing is that it's free. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link in the description box. Put your first name and your email address. Get in the email list, guys. You won't regret it. And let me show you now some other movers. We have Applied Materials at the top of my watch list right now, up over 5% on the day. Not too sure what's going on here. It looks like here, oh, there we go. U.S. Commerce Department imposes new export rules to hinder China's chips industry. This news literally just came out about 10 minutes ago, so I'm not too sure exactly what's going on here. I haven't dug deep into it, but even before that news, man, we have been uptrending all day. Applied Materials is up from 174 at open. Now we're at 184. Maybe, just maybe, guys, a reversal is coming on the stock, which is in desperate need of one. It's been downtrending for months, guys. So AMAT is looking good. ARM Holdings is also up 5%. Looks like this is on the verge of maybe breaking out of the 180 SMA, which, by the way, has been resistance for a couple of weeks here. And at the same time, we're making higher lows. So we have ARM clearly in a wedge here. So what direction are we going to pick? Are we going to break out of 141? 142, start gunning for the highs from a couple weeks ago in the 150s, 160s, or are we going to sell off towards 130, 125, break those lows, and start dumping? As of now, guys, it looks like ARM is running to the top of the wedge. Maybe it's going to break out here, guys. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments on Nvidia, other stocks you're watching in the markets, the indexes in general, which, by the way, right now we have the Russell down a bit, Dow's down a little bit, but the Nasdaq's up 1.2% and the S&P is up around 0.25%. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe. And guys, make sure to get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100, and you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, what are you waiting for? Use that link down below or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.